So the difference between a regular variable and a list variable is that a regular variable is going to hold a single value, and a list variable is going to hold multiple values, as many as you want, and it can vary. Earlier I had created a number list with some values in it. How many values does it contain? Well, I could count them up, but I'm going to let Python do that for me by calling the function len. Python has a built-in function called sum that will go through a list of numbers and add them all up. So if we call sum here on number list, it gives us that. Mean equals sum divided by the length, and we'll find out that the mean is approximately this value.